Okay, after about 11 hours work, the car is compounded, polished, glazed, and ready for my coating, which will be applied here in a little while after I take a break. A fellow very wise in the ways of detailing told me recently not to chase perfection, and I agree. And even on my personal car, which is a daily driver, a car show car, as well as a drag strip racer, you're very tempted to chase perfection. And I realized after about 8 hours into this process that it would probably take me 16 hours to get everything perfect. So I've got 98% of the defects I could have removed. There's a couple of fish eyes from the repainting. There's a little bit of orange peel left on the door and a couple of spots on the hood. But I can chase that orange peel at a future date. Right now it's going to be ready to coat, and it's going to look 99% as good as it could possibly look. So I'll come back after the coating with another video. Cheers.